Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dandelion and I'm so glad you could join me today. So I'm actually starting a new vlog and I'm on my way to pick up my friend so that we can go shopping for this other event we have to attend, and I need an outfit because I don't have an outfit. So I'm just gonna see what I can find and then gizohlanganisa with what I have at home for tomorrow. So y'all come along with us. It is not a weekly vlog because it's literally Tuesday, but maybe like, yeah, let's say a weekly vlog. Come along with me. Say hi.
Yeah, Sanbona, joining.
So we're just here to do some shopping. Sisay gateway.
Yep.
Just to find things to wear because we have nothing to wear. And the way I'm so stylish, Ulinda asked for my advice.
I don't know about that, but anywho, yo guys, we really need an outfit for the supper, the Jameson supper, and I know that everyone's gonna be looking like gold.
Literally.
Like gold, literally. And his nerves is in pets. I'm funung gosh.
Same. So anyway, Silana.
Love to see Talcum this empty.
Love it, Ngempel. So no man. So I was trying out clothes at Cotton On and I bunch. Something needs to be done with this weight because tell me why am I size 16 Australian? That's like a 38 40.
Yeah.
So we had to eat now because
But at least we're eating something healthy.
exactly because oh wow, the way I was. Anyways, at least Linda found something and I didn't find anything. YouTube thing.
It's a lot.
Cheers. Not Linda being live.
Sani bonani, babugele makaya. Guys, that's one of the things I enjoyed so much about being on SABC1. I used to say that was my introduction. Sani bonani, babugele makaya.
Washa.
Angithanda. Hey Roland, Zunjani. Hey T, how you guys doing today? Nyangizwa nje kodwa lapho isound right ngoba la ngikhona kukhale radio too much. Or can you please greet my peeps?
Hello everyone. Sanbonani.
And then?
Yes, I'm shy.
You shy?
I'm shy.
Angazi ukuthi ubashaye kanjani le kude. Asifike ukudla wethu. Siyabonga Themba. Thank you so much. Siyaphila so. Ngithatha abantwana lapha. Siyabonga. Guys, sidla health. Sidla health. Not that job. Not you eating before I could vlog the food. That was too good. That was really nice. Hi, bunch. Hi. Okay, go. Doing too much. Let it go.
Anyway, so we're gonna go to H&M now, and then after H&M, we're gonna go home. Just to book the traffic.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll check in with you guys later. I'm home and I have a delivery from Shoprite Robson, so I'm just gonna quickly film unboxing, and this is my assistant. Woo, he's going to be a cameraman. So the final results are because of this boy. Let's see if he's steady. Shame. I'm giving it's his job interview. He'll become my cameraman. Isn't? Yeah. You hold it like this. And I must show. My full body must show. And don't put your hand on. Am I showing all of me? Yeah. So this is the two-piece that Shopping Robson sent me. I like it. However, I feel like the top is a bit too cropped for me. Babu, my assistant is not doing his job. You're supposed to show all of me. Thank you. But it's really nice. I like the brown. It's nice. You like it?
Champagne's coming.
It's fine. So this is the outfit.
Cute.
Don't show Champagne. You're working for me. Champagne paying you.
Now it's done. Good.
Very nice. I just feel a bit self-conscious about my midriff. You're fired. You're fired. So, as I was saying, because this boy is fired from the job. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. It would have worked really well for the event. I wasn't gonna feel very comfortable showing image, yeah. But this is a trophy.
One,
I love your trophy. Yes.
one and a quarter.
Huh?
They say there's 1.6 million rand, one bull. That you
No, there's no way it can cost that much a cow. Even at those cows don't go for that much. Not those ones. The other ones go that much. Yes.
My trophy is. Now take a picture.
I already took a picture.
Take a picture. Let's like.
Okay. Huh? Shape. Mama. Was.
Mommy.
What do you want to eat? Huh? What do you want to eat? Want chicken?
Mommy,
You want chicken?
Hey, come here. Come here.
Mommy, take a. Come. You will.
I'll take a picture. Bring it here.
Daddy will take a
Bring
picture.
it here.
I'm going. You come downstairs to help me cook. I'll make
Yagraj,
it. Come,
here.
come, Champagne. What do you want to eat, my darling? Bestie, Bestiana, come, my darling. Come, baby. So my dog is a very special dog. Waza. Come. So I don't feel like making dinner today because I made dinner yesterday and the day before that, and I even cooked this morning, so I don't feel like it. So everyone's just gonna have to eat leftovers because why must I cook every day? Why? I lied. I have to make rice, so I'm just gonna make rice and then we can have dinner because I'm not cooking except rice. So over here we have papaya curry or papaya fry or whatever. I made it this morning, and then over here we have the lentils. I forgot which lentils these are, but it's the green ones. A lentil sort of curry. So this is what is there, and rice. Not you picturing yourself through the door. Awucengani mama. Awucengani. We bitches are like stopping. Mbuki. Hi bye. I lied again. I'm actually making something for Uyad Raja making chicken and potato wedges because he said he wanted chicken. Yo, Zalani guys. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna have my chicken with the wedges and a salad because I'm trying to get snatched in 3 days. Guess what? So this is my dinner. Glass of water. Have to drink water and then chicken, potato wedges, and a salad on the side. Woke up gorgeous again. Good morning, guys. I know I look less crusty than I did look yesterday when I came back home from the mall, but that's how it goes, Nje. When you're gorgeous, you wake up gorgeous. Anyway, so good morning, guys. Today's agenda is to study, get some schoolwork done, take some content, because obviously I've been lacking on the content side because things have been so hectic at school. Good morning, Shape. Good morning, Shape. Good morning, Miss Shape. Good morning, Miss Shape. Say hello to the girls. Say hello to the girls. Good morning. Good morning. Goeiemorgen. Yo mama praat Afrikaans. Klein Afrikaans. Ndiyathetha kaloku, ndiyakhuluma, abua. Anywho, so the agenda today is just to study, get some content done. I'm thinking of doing a haul for my Shoprite Robson items, especially because they have been dropping consistently, and then I want to do a makeup video. I want to do makeup on auntie, and then I want to get a head start on my assignments. Gabala next week, I'm gonna sit down exams, 2 sit down exams on the Thursday and the Friday, and then on the following Monday I have like a sort of assignment, a big assignment due on the Monday. So there's no rest, and I feel like I haven't done my makeup in such a long time. So tomorrow before the event, I'm gonna do like a get ready with me type of vibe. I don't know if I want to include it in the vlog because you guys have seen me do my makeup here on vlogs like thousands of times. I don't want to make it too long, so I will see. Anyway, this is my money plant over here. I'm such a plant lady. I saw someone on Twitter say something, why do women want to, something about getting flowers and how society has made women believe that they need flowers. Girl, please. Girl, please. We love flowers already. We love plants already. Batong, mind your own and get us the flowers. Really? Anyways, let me go and cook breakfast, because one thing about that man, he wants to eat a home cooked meal 3 times a day. What is that? So I'm gonna make a potato curry. How, Chandan, why you made them so small? Anyways, so I'm going to make potato curry.
It's called aloo kuch kuchiya ka sabji. It's kuch kuch, the small potato.
Isn't it chota chota?
Haan, chota chota kuch kuchiya.
Anyways, I'm gonna make that.
Cook with the camera.
I'm such a good cook, so nje kuphoqelekile ukuthi ngikwenze ukhari because I'm just so amazing at cooking.
Yeah.
I'm the best.
Yeah.
Say it with your chest. I'm the best cook.
You're the best cook.
With your chest.
Yeah, my chest is painful.
Oh God. Anyways, let me make. Oh, my porridge is ready. Papa
Give it,
Papa.
ginger.
So the last time we spoke was actually in the morning, but I've just finished filming my reel, I finished filming 2 reels and my YouTube video, which is a haul from Shopping Robson. And now I have to quickly go and meet up with my friend, go buy my contact lens solution, and then I still want to do a makeup here auntie, just to have some images on my business account. So, and it's already, what is the time? It's already 2:30, and also I have to go to my son's school to drop off something. So nje busy. But anyways, I do look cute. I really do look cute. If I don't say so myself. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna change into a more comfort. I'm going to change into an outfit that's more comfortable. Why did that took me? Ew. So this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing my polo neck, my denim dress, which can be worn as a overcoat. I think that's what it's called. And my tote bag from Cotton On, my satin pants from Shopping Robson, and these shoes because I'm not really gonna be outside for a long time. Sorry for the dirty mirror.
Thank you so much, guys, for honoring the invite and also respecting the theme. Yes, it's more difficult for us to honor the theme. Thank you so much. I just want to say shout out first to the Jameson team for arranging this event for us. This is on host and I'm in Eden. We're gonna be enjoying all the drinks that have been made by Jameson. I'm our cocktails, guys. So no bottles. Kumanga champagne, I'm just pussy whiskey. Alright? I'm asking our all food today is cut to celebrate. Thank you so much for each and every one of you for being here today. Please know that today is really about us celebrating and being together and enjoying each other's company. So make sure to tag Jameson SA on all of your posts today and hashtag Jameson Supper as well. Yes? Hey, I said nothing for yourself. Oh, gosh. Guys, we'll catch up over magic. That was the stage on what happens, aka I'm our devs, aka I'm a starter. That's what is our tappers, guys. Those who took advance, and yes, some of my cool guys can enjoy the rest of the evening.
Good morning, you guys. So I know I didn't vlog yesterday besides the event. I did such a horrible job vlogging the event, but angi collab. So the Jameson event was nice, but it wasn't what I expected it to be compared to the other Jameson Supper Club events. It was more of like a very very chilled setup compared to the other ones, but nonetheless it was nice. The music was good. The people there, they were nice. The energy, the vibe, konke nje, it was really nice. I did enjoy myself, but yeah, bekumnandi, sadansa, sacula. I guys, it was really really nice. And I don't know ukuthi bengizoba yini if I went there alone, because the invite was for only one person, but luckily my friends were there, so that was nice. And yeah, so today's agenda, okay, so I've already made breakfast. I cooked rice because one thing about that man, he wants ukarane rice in the morning. And then I have to do makeup and auntie because I didn't do it yesterday, neither did I do it the day before because I got really busy. So I'm gonna do that today. And I have to go to the mall in Yopinselicatulo that I thought I was gonna wear yesterday. And let me tell you guys, that outfit really, it rocked me. It really rocked me because things were not getting together, but as soon as I did my hair and my makeup, ihlanganile shame, I looked cute. If I do say so myself. But there was this other outfit I was thinking of and the shoes just did not go, so I'm gonna return those and then go to the pet shop for izinto zasha. Then after that I'm gonna come home and do some schoolwork, because I feel like I always say I'm gonna do schoolwork and then I don't do schoolwork and then get overwhelmed and the cycle repeats itself. So I need to do that, study, do some assignments, and then I'm gonna cook dinner. Like literally the day will be done. I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna make butter chicken, my style of butter chicken, which reminds me I also have to buy cream with butter chicken. And let me know down below if I should start putting subtitles whenever I speak Zulu, because one thing about me and one thing about my generation, we will mix English and Zulu. Miss Kulum, I don't know, angazi kubizwa yini, sengikhohliwe igama layo, but let me know down below if you want me to put subtitles, because I do go in and out of Zulu quite often, and I know that the country does have 12 official languages now. So I feel like I do need to accommodate to everyone. So do let me know down below. So yesterday, why I didn't vlog was, number one, I woke up in the morning and I was super stressed out about what I was gonna wear. Besides that, I did wake up in the morning and cook brown chickpea curry, and I made it in the pressure cooker. It was my first time making it in the pressure cooker. And then after that, I had to go to the mall and sort out my outfit. So this is me running around looking for white stockings and green shoes, and I found it. Umzoli really helped me out, hey, because angaz bengizobayini ngiphenny kalapan. Only to find out when I get home, it doesn't go with my outfit. It's a costume party idea gone wrong. Guys, it was so horrible. I gave it a 0 and I didn't even take a picture. It was really that bad. And then I had a struggle with my hair. I wanted to do an updo, like a cute updo. I will insert a picture for you guys to see what I wanted. And then while I was doing that, it just wasn't and then I ended up just doing a side swoop. Mind me you, it's already like 4:30, 4:45, and Linda had to come get his makeup done. And makeupile, I just finished my hair, so then fine, if you Linda I meant to makeup he fast because I'm used to his face now, so it was quite quick. Then when he was done, he left because he was hosting the Jameson event. And then I had to get my makeup done and I was rushing. I literally did my makeup in 30 minutes, like a full soft glam in 30 minutes. But simple eyeshadow, but still I did it in 30 minutes. And then when I was done, I just immediately requested and I left because I was not going to drive in the night. So then I got there and I was like 7 minutes late or 10 minutes late. Mind me, you people were still coming through, pulling through, and people came even after me. And that was just a busy. I saw busy, busy. Yesterday was just a mess of a day, but at least the event went well. So yeah, you guys, and then injalo-ke into for today, and I will take you guys along with me. I will make sure that I take you along with me. I don't know about vlogging in the mall, bruh, because people look at you all funny and shit, and even if you're vlogging on your phone, so you guys need to stop that. This is a full production. Like I feel like I'm at the point in my life where I need someone to follow me 24/7 with my camera, because I'm laughing because my partner keeps saying, oh, you're influencer now, you're going to an influencer event, and I'm just like, shut up. But I am manifesting a breakthrough. I really need a breakthrough in terms of the content creating aspect, even though I do it because I'm passionate about it and I really do enjoy it. I mean, that's why I'm studying what I'm studying at school. But yeah, guys, I need a breakthrough. The lights need to be kept on. These holes are not gonna do themselves. Need to maintain this face. You guys, I do it because I really do enjoy doing it, and it's something that I can do for myself. I always say this to myself, Uguti. It's something that's mine, and it's something that I put my energy into, and I really do enjoy making content for my YouTube and for my Instagram and now for my TikTok. It's just, I really do enjoy it. It's something fun, and I hope we can continue growing as the Aura Dandelion brand, because kuningi, I know there's so much more coming. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next clip. So this is the before, you guys, and then I'll show you the after. So this is the finished look. I'm living. Stunning. Good morning, you guys. So today is Saturday, and the last time we spoke was when I was making my butter chicken. So today is a edit study day because I'm gonna have some time to myself. Bayahamba to a Father's Day event at school. So Papa, are you excited to go to the Father's Day at school?
Yeah.
Anyways, you guys, so that's today's agenda. I wanna go out for dinner, but it's so boring what's gonna happen. But right now, it's just gonna have some tea and edit a little bit, because I'm gonna edit that video of the makeup that I do for my Instagram and the pictures and stuff. Anyway, see you guys in the next clip. So I'm finally sitting down now to do the Hermosa floor look. I don't know what I am going to do, but I do know is that we have to use this palette, the A True You palette, and these are the colors that are in there. So I'm thinking, there was this other look that I tried to do using the palette, and I think I'm gonna try that look out today. and hope for the best. But I don't want to do something that's going to take up too much time because I still have to get ready for my clients in the afternoon. So let me get to it and I will show you guys the final results. This is my outfit. Babu, ends up it. See, go back to the shoes. I know, that's right. This is Babu's outfit.
Then put it on my shoes.
Oh, you love your shoes? Oh, nice. Nice. Who dressed you? Who's you?
You.
Your mom.
Yes.
Good morning, guys. I do know that I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time since, I think, was it Saturday or Friday? I haven't spoken to you. But today is Sunday and it's already midday. Well, not midday, it's almost 3:30 right now. We are going to Gate of India in Killets. I think we should buy Hillcrest for some dinner. Well, it is dinner basically, like a early dinner type of vibe. But anyways, do come along with us. You guys, that chicken malai kebab was so good. I can't even explain the flavors. It was so tender, so tasty. Yo, I want another one, and this is why I've gained so much weight. Yo, takabao, it was delicious. Babu, how was the chicken lala?
Nice!
Why shouting? Shouting. Why are you shouting, Babu?
It was so nice.
Yeah, but now everyone must hear that you are saying it's nice. So sesiqedile ukudla ngisuthi over, but yeah, bekumnandi ukudla, and we got some takeaways over here because we didn't finish. But overall the food is amazing, service is amazing, konke nje very tasty, so you guys should come here. So we are now back home and thinking. Thank you, darling. So we are back home now and I'm thinking of ending the vlog here because I mean it is Sunday, so it makes the most sense to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
But look! Okay, let's show my space car.
Okay.
And it says monster truck.
It says Yadu.
No, it says monster truck super. Oh, it's a truck.
Okay, baby.
Yahoo!
That's all. You're done now.
Yeah?
Okay.
Let me see it.
Say bye first.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
Yeah.
Say.
Bye.
say? See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Let's watch my video now.